Hey everyone, it's Karen here from Art & Cove. Welcome to my bathroom. Some of you may have seen Carmen's blog post where she posts about a bunch of different face masks that she bought at CVS during her stay in Houston. But there was one more kit that she did not use on her trip and she brought it back, gave it to me to try out. So that's what we're gonna do today. So all the way from Houston, CVS, we have the 5-step travel kit Vacay Glow, and it was made in Korea. It's from JiinJu Beauty, and this one is pretty interesting because there's actually 5 different items included in this set. As you can see, there's the largest one, but there's little numbers on the corner that tells you the different steps. There's a cleansing oil, a foaming face wash, a toner, a avocado sheet mask, as well as a hydrating cream. There's also a little illustration on the back of what order to do the different items, as well as instructions on how to apply and how long to leave it on. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. As you can see, I have makeup on my face right now. We did a little photo shoot with the Calso passport pouch that we're pretty excited about. So hopefully those photos turned out pretty well. For now, we're done with the photo shoot, so we're about to wash off all the makeup and put on this mask. Okay, number 1 is cleansing oil, and it says melts makeup away, and there's 5 oils in it: rosehip, argan, rice bran, olive, and sunflowers. And this packaging is super cute. Oh my gosh, this whole kit is very cute. All the instructions are pretty clear. So this one is just cleansing oil. I'm going to put some into my hand. Let's see if there's instructions other than, I need to put them back together to read the instructions. So for this one, we just massage onto dry skin, then rinse with warm water. So let's see here. Oh, it's a pretty liquidy kind of oil. It's not too thick or not super viscous for a cleansing oil. So I'm just going to massage this into my skin. And it says directly onto dry skin, so I didn't add any water. It doesn't really smell like anything. Let me see if there's more in here. There's definitely enough to take off all my makeup, I think. This is the fun part where I get super panda eyes. What is this? Okay, let's rinse. Gross. Carmen! A fly flew into my ear. Oh, that's so scary. No, I don't think so. But it was really loud in my ear, and then I saw a little black thing in there. I don't think so. No, I don't have it with me.
Let me look.
Oh, that's
I don't
so
see,
scary.
I don't see anything, but
It was really loud. Ugh.
I don't see anything. Where is it?
I don't know.
I look crazy right now.
Thanks.
Did you use all the oil?
No, I didn't use all of it. I think I need more of it.
Oh yeah.
There's definitely enough.
Okay, should I be?
Okay.
Smells nice.
Does this smell like anything to you?
Yeah, like a sweet, like.
Oh, it's a little bit florally, I guess.
Yeah, it smells like the. Like, it reminds me of like.
It smells like soap.
It reminds me of this high-end like lotion I once, or like cleanser thing. What's the fragrance called?
Quartum.
Oh, this perfume. This perfume.
Oh, perfume.
This perfume.
Smells nice. Okay, let's get the rest of the eyeball. Okay, cleansing oil is done. I definitely still see some eye makeup residue, especially from the glue of the false lashes, but hopefully the next step is going to clear up any remaining face makeup, and this is the Foaming Face Wash Super Clean with Yucca, and the instructions say to just wash your face with it and then rinse with warm water. So let's do that. See what kind of texture this is. No, this one's more of a cream texture. I'm assuming it's gonna foam up a little more when we add water to it. I'm gonna put a little water on my face just to get it started. And then put it on my face. These all smell pretty good. Pretty similar smell. A little bit florally sweet, but not too strong. At first I thought there was no smell actually. But there is a little bit of perfume in the ingredients list. There you go. That's more foaming. Okay, post washing off the facial cleanser, I did actually feel a little bit of tingling right across the forehead, so I am somewhat concerned that it might be irritating for people with a little more sensitive skin. I did wash it off and it feels okay. It definitely makes your skin feel a little like squeaky clean. Like it definitely got a lot of stuff out, but it kind of does that little, you know what I mean? Like the squeaky clean kind of thing. So it might be a little bit drying. But other than that, it feels pretty good. And even though it feels a little bit dried out, we are about to mask. So I feel like that's going to add all the moisture that I'm craving right now. So step 3 is a toner. So toner balances skin and it's made with prickly pear. I have a little cotton round here. And then I'm going to pour the toner on it and pat it into my face. It's a little bit, actually it's like more of a serum texture than I was expecting. Most of the time when I think of toner it's more liquid, but this is actually like a very thin serum type texture. Probably could just apply it directly to my face. I don't know if I need the cotton pad to do this. I feel like the cotton pad just soaks up product. But I'm trying to follow instructions here. I'm just pressing it into my skin. Okay, I gave it a little bit to dry down. It's definitely still a little bit tacky, but most of it has absorbed into the skin. So I think I'm ready to move on to the next step. It feels pretty good right now. Finally on to the sheet mask. Step 4, avocado sheet mask, super moisture, and it says it's a fiber mask. So here's how it looks inside. There's a bunch of essence on the side, so I'll probably massage that into the skin after the mask. Ooh, yeah, this is nice and saturated. I like it when they're like super moist or super saturated, because sometimes you get them and they're like not enough essences on it, so it feels like it dries out too quickly. But I feel like this is a good amount. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I feel like I need to hold my breath for that part. Okay. In terms of fit, it fits pretty well. And it's staying on my face pretty well. I think I can walk around, move, do stuff without it falling off. And it says to leave the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes. So, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm trying to Google if yucca normally makes your face tingle, because Carmen said that it's like a mild poison, so maybe it's supposed to tingle.
Yeah, something about like raw yucca, like cooked yucca is mostly okay because you like, I guess, destroy whatever enzymes are kind of like poisonous.
Oh.
I think. I could be wrong.
It says that you can get poisoning from ingesting an improperly prepared yucca.
You should read about is like an enzyme. How does it feel, by the way, the mask?
It's a little tingly too. I'm very nervous.
Is it from the yucca?
I don't know.
I feel like Korean stuff though is usually very like skin sensitive friendly.
Yeah. What's going on?
I think it's meant to be tingly.
Huh. Okay.
Smells nice though.
Smells very mild. Maybe I just have a stuffy nose.
Yep.
Can't smell anymore.
Mm-hmm.
It's cleansing and antiseptic properties.
Oh.
It's supposed to be soothing and calming to irritating the skin.
But it irritated your skin.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
They just have antioxidants. And it also regenerates skin cells and provides necessary therapy to skin that is constantly exposed to not only sunshine, but chemical parabens that age skin prematurely.
Do you put parabens on your skincare?
I don't know. Maybe.
And I guess you just came from Hawaii.
It sounds like yucca shouldn't be the one. This shouldn't be the thing irritating my skin then.
Maybe it's just like the other stuff.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think it's full on irritated.
Yeah.
I think it was just a little tingly.
Yep.
Which made me nervous.
Okay. It's a little bit. Like, it's not burning.
No.
Yeah.
Probably not.
You would probably be fine.
It's probably fine.
Hey, yeah. You need to look relaxed, Karen. Do you feel relaxed?
Yeah.
Did you rub essence on your neck?
Yep. Can you see it?
Yeah, I think so.
I want my neck to be youthful.
Beautiful, Karen. Beautiful.
Okay, 20 minutes have passed. Time to take this off. Massage the excess into the skin. No need to rinse, so let's do a little massage to the face. So the final step is number 5, which is hydrating cream. It says, so smooth, made with agave. Okay. This seems more like a light lotion type of texture. Okay, my camera died, but we're gonna film this on my phone. Hopefully it looks okay. So let's finish off with the hydrating cream. This also has a little bit of fragrance in it. Nothing too strong. The texture is pretty light. It's not a very thick cream. It definitely has some slipperiness to it, so it's not too watery. Okay, there we go. Pretty much that's it. I'm going to just rub the leftovers into my neck and the back of my hands and down my arm, because why not? There's definitely a lot in there. But overall, I feel like my face is pretty nice and moisturized, very clean, obviously. I feel pretty good. There is a little bit of stickiness on the skin, but honestly, with a face moisturizer, it's not unusual and pretty much expected. Overall, I think this is a really cute kit. I think it contains a lot of things that you want, that you'll probably need to use. The only thing is, like, if you don't use makeup, maybe you don't need the first 2 steps of, you know, 2-step cleansing. It's very cutely packaged. I like that it has all of the 5 different things in one. And I feel like it did work in terms of cleaning and moisturizing my skin. So I can definitely see this as a great option if you're like traveling and you just want to pick up something at CVS. I would recommend it. I think it's pretty cute. You can also find Carmen's reviews of I think 4 other Korean face masks from CVS, also from Houston, but that's pretty fun, so I'll link that down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because we post a lot of great videos about travel, travel skincare, travel makeup, travel bags, packing, all that good stuff. So we do make travel bags over on ardencove.com, which are anti-theft and waterproof, the holy grail of travel bags. So I hope you'll check it out, hope you'll subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! That is pretty good. Huh? I'll work on my thighs. Okay. Okay, bye. Oh my god.